So hello guys, in this video I am going to show you different techniques and tricks in this game. So let's start with Apex. So Apex Battle. So before you start matching up, be sure to change your defense line up into weaker ones. In this way, it will reduce the chance of meeting stronger opponents. So just like this. So you can actually just attack it and win easily. So that's the tricks in here. As you can see, will not face stronger opponents, but there's still a chance you might end up meeting players, but the chance is reduced by doing these techniques. So also Apex Shop, be sure to save up. I suggest you save up for this superior set gear class. It's better than other, but depends on your plan. So it all depends on you if you want to save up from other. This it's also a good choice, but don't take this one. It's not recommended from me, in my opinion. So now let's go to this one. Let's go rollback method. So rollback method is this one. If you don't have this increases the chance of getting the hero you wanted. For example, this one, Dawi. So I have this one. So by doing a rollback situation, so let's this one from my last video, I asked you to save this one. So this is the purpose for that, just in case you need some hero. So just like this. So this shard increases the chances of getting a better hero compared to this one. The chances are really different. Example, getting Lobo is 0.27, but a factional shard increases the chances into 12, I think, or 3. Yeah, 3.33. So it has higher chances to get a better hero this way, but still it all depends on your luck. So good luck for that. And also let's go for Tali. So I would recommend you not to keep reforging this one. Don't waste your Tali shard, and because you'll be needing that, this one, in a certain day you will unlock tactics. Tactic shops requires shard to buy, and it has many different new skill effect, just like this. When landing a critic, there's a chance to perform additional basic attack. Also this if he kills, and also here reflect. So I recommend you not to waste your Tali shard, and if you have enough red Tali, be sure to upgrade it into Dragon Tali. This one, this type of, be sure to upgrade it this one, because the reforge requirement for that is only one Tali shard. So I'll show you my other account. So this one, guys, as you can see, I'll show you. So the Tali, as you can see, the reforged materials is only one silver and one Tali shard. So it would be a good benefit and investment to have this one, to upgrade your red Tali into Heavenly Dragon Talisman. So that's for that. And for the tactics, I have this one. So and also in Tali, guys, having same effects won't work. It won't benefits you. For example, you have 2 tally. This one you have tally stats critic, and here you also have critic. The only one will only affect, but the other one will not. So be sure you have different tally stats effect. So, and also let's go for this one, the advanced token, the super divine hero token. You can actually save up, guys, if you are a free to play player. So save up before you spend. I actually just bought all the gold packs and still saving up, waiting to have at least 300 or 440 of this one, so I can 13 star with Soulforge. So that's the tricks. Don't waste your super divine hero token. Wait and save up until you have enough super divine token. So, and before I forget, also this one, the dismissal method. So dismissal method gives you rank up stone, hero XP, and hero soul. So if you have some trash heroes, you can actually use this one. And this work also in early stages like this. I usually end up dismissing this one if I have a lot of heroes. Instead of upgrading them into 6 star, I dismiss them so I can get rank up stone. By this way, I gathered enough rank up stone and upgraded my heroes into 13 star. So I think that's all for today. Or I should show you this one. If it later, you will unlock this one. Also this one, the refine, the accessories, just many different stats. So be sure to save up, guys, if you have something you want to buy. So I guess that's all for today's video. So good luck and enjoy your day. Be sure to subscribe.